Hi my beautiful butterfly family, this is going to be creating a smoky eye look for you guys using my Too Faced Natural Eyes eyeshadow palette. If you are new to the butterfly family, don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. So I know a lot of us struggle creating like a smoky eye look, especially when you're using black or a dark brown for your whole eyelid. So for the transition shade, I use Strip Poker from there. It's more like a bronzer from this palette, but I use it on my eyes, and I'm using mainly BH Cosmetics brushes. So now I'm taking Sex Espresso. It's like a dark brown, and I'm putting this mainly all over the lid. Now when it comes to doing a smoky eye look, you just want to make sure you blend everything out very well. What I like doing towards the end is going in with the transition shade to blend any harsh line that there might be, so everything blends out pretty well. And for the inner corner part, I did use Erotica, which has more of a shimmer to it. So now I'm smoking out the bottom lash line with the same lid shade in Sex Espresso. I like smoking out the bottom lash line with a eyeshadow instead of adding a eyeliner, but you guys can do both. You guys can get a black eyeliner or a dark brown and just smudge it under and just blend it out pretty well. And I always go back and forth adding more of those shades that I use, because once you blend out everything out, it usually takes off a lot of that eyeshadow. Now I'm just taking a makeup wipe to remove any fallout that I got, and you guys can sharpen the outer corner. Now I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to set the face. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way in Golden Beige. If you guys saw my haul video, I I ordered this foundation because I had been wanting to give it a try, and I really do like it. This is like my second time using it, and like I said, I really do like it. It leaves your skin looking very moisturized. I'll link the video up in the iCard so you guys can go watch. If you guys have tried out this foundation, let me know down in the description box below. Another foundation I really want to try is the Fenty foundation. I'm sure there's other good foundations out there. Comment down below what's your guys' favorite foundation, drugstore or high-end. So for concealer, I did go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. To be honest, at first I didn't really like this concealer, but I think I found a way to like it. Obviously here I added too much, so I felt like it was looking very cakey under the eye. So I think just adding less will work better. And now to bronze the face, I'm using Wet n Wild Bikini Contest, and I'm using this BH Cosmetics brush. And also as a new product, I've been using this Wet n Wild setting loose powder in banana. I don't know, I don't really like it. I think my favorite setting powder is the one from Airspun. And for blush, I'm going in with the blush neutrals from the BH Cosmetics palette. Now I'm setting the face again with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Now for highlight, I'm using Silk Teddy from the Too Faced palette. Now for the inner corner highlight, I went in with Honey Pot. And for the brow bone highlight, I used Heaven, which is a matte highlight. Now I did decide to put on some falsies, so I'm using the ones I got from Wish. And guys, I've been getting a hang of putting on my falsies. I've been trying to find a way that it makes it easier for me. I mean, I'm still going to struggle, but not as much as I used to. So here's a tip. Put some glue on your lash line and let it dry, and then put on your eyelashes. So another tip is to make your eyes appear more open, more bigger. Put a nude. So now for the lips, I'm using this eyeliner or lip liner. I'm not sure Essence by who it is, but it's in the color wine, and I'm using NARS lipstick. I also am not sure the name of it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys learned something from it. Like I said, I'm going to start doing more makeup videos. I know not everyone enjoys my makeup videos, but I know that a lot of people struggle to do their own makeup. So if I can help you guys, I am going to continue doing my videos for you guys. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and give me a big thumbs up, and stay till the end because I am going to show you guys my outfit. And yeah, remember that we are all beautiful in our own way, guys. Don't let anyone tell you or make you feel any less. Love you guys.